How to change WhatsApp notification sounds. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change notification sounds on WhatsApp. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you have opened WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the option for notifications. Tap on that. You will now be able to see various notifications option. You can change message notification or group notification sound. So go to the message notification tab and tap on the sound option and further scroll through and select the sound you want and tap on the save button. And if you want to change the group notification sound, then tap on the sound option under group notification and select the sound of your preference and tap on the save button. You can also tap on the in-app notifications option and toggle on or toggle off the sound entirely. So, this is how you can change WhatsApp notification sounds. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.